The A340-300 pneumatic system is controlled by 4 BMCs, one per engine bleed system. If one fails, the adjacent BMC takes over most of the functions. The A340-600 pneumatic system is controlled by 2 BMCs, one per wing, each equipped with 2 channels. If one channel fails, the remaining channel takes over most of the functions. On the A340-600 ECAM bleed page, the temperature control valve position indication has been removed. The pack controller status has been added. No status is displayed in normal operation. Pack 1, 2 control appears green if system 1 or 2 is faulty. The affected system appears amber. Pack 1, 2 control becomes amber if both system 1 and 2 are faulty. The target airflow has been added. It is represented by a cyan circle. It disappears if the data is unavailable. On the A340-600, there is only one anti-ice valve per wing, no outboard one. This is represented on the ECAM bleed page. Only slats 3 and 4 are de-iced, instead of slats 4, 5, 6, 7 on the A340-300. The A340-600 air conditioning system is similar to that of the A340-300 and is fully automatic. Due to the increased number of passengers, the A340-600 comprises 9 temperature zones, 8 cabin zones plus 1 cockpit zone. The airflow is now managed according to the number of passengers. The passenger number is inserted on the MCDU, Init B page, and the flow control is made on the air panel through the airflow selector, which has been modified. Normal position. The airflow is based on the passenger number and on the cabin temperature demand. It delivers between 60% and 133% of the airflow. High position delivers the normal airflow, function of the pax number, plus 200 liters per second. This position is selected in case of cabin fan's fault or if the crew wants a higher ventilation rate. Low position delivers 80% of the normal flow. The new manual position delivers 100% of the airflow, fixed value. Note, the temperature can also be controlled through the Flight Attendant Panel, FAP. On the upper part of the A340-600 air conditioning page, 3 cabin fans equip each A340-600 zone, forward, mid and aft. The cabin fan indication is displayed if at least one cabin fan has failed. If one of them fails, its number indication becomes amber, and the others remain green. The cabin fan indication appears green. If they all fail, the cabin fan indication also becomes amber. The zone and ventilation control indications follow the same logic, if one or two of their channels are lost. The trim air valves indications have been removed in the 9 zones. On the A340-600 cargo, each of the 3 cargo zones can be controlled according to the airline needs. Each of the 3 cargo zones is equipped with isolation valves. They close automatically if smoke is detected or if ditching is selected. A temperature regulation selector allows the temperature of each cargo zone to be adjusted. The bulk cargo compartment heating is provided by an electrical duct heater. The heater operates automatically if the cargo temperature is below the selected temperature. The indications concerning the cargo compartments, displayed on the lower part of the air conditioning page, are zones, forward-aft bulk, temperatures, and duct temperatures. The heater indication appears amber if the heater system has failed. Nothing is displayed in normal operation. Note 1. The trim air valve on the forward cargo has also been removed. Note 2. The lower deck facilities, LDF zones, are optional. Concerning the APU bleed leak detection, whereas that of the A340-300 is only performed by BMC-2, the A340-600 system is ensured through BMCs 1 and 2. The APU bleed leak detection area is divided into 3 zones. Each zone comprises 2 loops. In the first and third zones, the bleed leak detection is carried out by BMC-1. In the middle zone, it is done by BMC-2. Once a bleed leak is detected, the pack flow control valve closes.